This video is to show you how to create a works cited entry for your project in Noodle Tools. You can enter works cited information in two locations. You can reach the works cited entry using the bibliography button at the top toolbar, or if you page down to the components section, you can use the works cited. I'm going to use the components section. The first thing you have to do is make sure that you select the citation type in order to create your citation. I do have, if you notice at the top of the screen, have a tab open with my article in the CIRS database that we've been using, so that I can conveniently refer to it whenever I need to. So the type of citation, since my article is from the database, is actually database. You're going to create citation. What type of source are you citing from the database? Remember in class I told you that you can look at the top of your article for all of this information. Here's the type right here. This is a newspaper. So for my example, I'm going to select newspaper. Now what appears is a bunch of dialog boxes where you need to insert information that it asks for. Notice that when I click on the first dialog box, to the right appears an informational box. For every piece of information that you have to enter, this informational box will provide you with a little bit more information as to what it is that you are supposed to be entering, should you have any questions. Now, since we've only been using one database, I can start typing the name of the database in here, and that is CIRS. And you'll notice as I type CIRS, a dialog box below it appears. It is the CIRS Issue Researcher that we've been using, so make sure you select CIRS Issues Researcher. Database extension number is nothing that we are using at this time. Most recent date of access essentially is that it's the default, and that is the date that you actually have first accessed your article. I'm going to use today's date. Insofar as the URL is concerned, you want to make sure that you use the home page website. And for our database, that is www.sirs.com. We are going to go ahead and skip DOI because it is not required, as the information box shows you in MLA, which is what we are using. Paging down, now I have to enter the author information. It's nice using the computer with two tabs open, because now all I have to do is find my name of my author, I copy it, and I paste it. Article title, there is no English translation as this was originally written in English. The section, there is no section listed. However, the next piece of information was a page number, so I'll copy that. Since it was only on one page, all I need to do is have it as a start page. The name of my newspaper, the city of publication. Notice that there are parentheses around the city of location. You do not need to copy those as well. Publication date, let's go back and check. October 17th, 2013. Notice that these are drop-down menus. October 17th, 2013. Let's see if there's an addition. For example, National, Late, Final, Eastern, or District. Nope. No mention of an addition here. Advanced periodicals, we don't need to bother with that, nor the annotation, because I am not asking you to write an annotated works cited or an annotated bibliography. Always include this source in my final works cited. This is default as checked off, and you always want to make sure that this is still checked off. At this point in time, you've entered the information in that you have, so you're going to click Submit. Now, as you see, here is your works cited. And that's all there is to it.